Hello everyone, my name is Muhire Thierry, your ambassador in this journey of International Youth Math Challenge competition. So, what you need to do to participate, just write IYMC in your search engine and then click on this first link you get. It will direct you to the official page of International Youth Math Challenge. Then you will click participate now. But before clicking the participate now, let's go through why participate in this challenge and who are eligible candidate to participate and what is the benefit of participation. As you can see, who can participate? If you are current school or university student for all grades and all countries, you are eligible to participate. Only we have three groups, which is the first is for junior participant, the second is for youth participant, and the last is for senior participants according to the age. And in addition to that, why should you participate? So participants receive a couple of prizes. First, there are certificates that are there for you at each stage that you've passed. If the qualification round is well passed, there is a certificate for you. If the pre-final is passed, and even the final, there are certificates that prove that already you have participated in this our competition. Not only that, but also we have cash prizes worthy 1,400 USD for the top performers in the final stage. There are also national awards for the best participant from each country for the best one. Not only that, but also you will get a chance to connect with outstanding inspiring student, that is global network. Not only that, but also we have many institutions including universities in partnership with IYMC, where you can secure a scholarship to continue your education. In addition, you can be even ambassador, as I am today, because I have participated in the competition years ago. So coming back to the participating case, as you can see, we now have 36 plus K participants since 2K18, and 1,900 teachers in different countries. As you can see, the numbers are here. Then you will need to come here to participate. This will bring you to this place of downloading the question because they are already out. We have problem A, B, C, D to E. As you can see, what you will need to do, you can even have a copy of your own and then save it. After saving, you will need to work on this. You can take a paper and then correct all the question. You can even use any resources nearby, even the books, internet, because already the questions are here. But while submitting, you need to know that each problem have 5 points. So to qualify for the next round, you have to score at least 15 out of 25 if you are junior participant, or 17 out of 25 if you are youth participant, or 20 out of 25 if you are senior participant. And you need to submit your solutions by Sunday. The deadline is Sunday 30th November this year, and it is online this time. Further information and submission form are available on this website. So how to submit? But before submitting, after creating your answers, you need to take a picture. If you use a pen, you can take a picture of your answers and then combine them or merge them in one PDF file, which is going to be used while submitting. So come here to submission tab. It will direct you to this page where you will need simply to put your personal information, your name first. You write your full name and make sure that you don't write the name in a capital letter. As you can see, this is not allowed, but you need to use like the form like this. because this name is going to be used at every certificate that you're going to get in this competition. Then here you put the date of birth, the country and city where you are currently studying. Not only that, you will put your email address where the information regarding IYMC result and whatever will be shared. You will need to set a password which can help you to log into your participant portal, and this is where you will get the full result of your activity, the name of school or university you're attending. Here we have a list, but maybe your school may be not on this list. You will just type the name of your university here in the provided space. Not only that, also you will add the current grade or year of study, and then put the email of your school, because if you become a winner, this should be informed to your school. Your outstanding achievements should be even shared with others to even motivate them. And then here it is where we are going to insert the created PDF file. You will come here, click to the choose file. Let me just put here like this, for example. So you need to upload either PDF, GPG, JPEG or PNG documents, but I recommend you to use PDF because it's a good and easy one. We do not accept the doc or docx or zipped file, so make sure that at least you use a PDF. So do you have multiple pictures that you want to merge at the same time? Here there is a link to help you. You click here and then you choose your file you want to combine and then combine them. Do you have like a Word file that you need to convert to PDF? Simply this is the way you can convert by clicking here. You will just choose a file and then you will just convert it. And then if your file is bigger than 10 megabyte, here also there is another helpful link that you can click and then have your compressed PDF. Now the other information, there is an optional question here: who is your IYMC ambassador? So here you can put my name, as I'm telling you, as your ambassador. And then how did you hear about IYMC? Of course it is ambassador, I'm the one who telling you. And also it is optional as the first one. The preferred language for me, I have English. Then you need to prove that you are not a robot, and of course you are not. So lastly, come agree here to the rule and data policy of the International Youth Math Challenge 2K25, then click the submit button. After doing this, you are done. It means that you need just to wait 7 days after the deadline to get your result of qualification round. And as you have seen, the qualification round is not that difficult because you can even use different resources. And so the information about your result will come 7 days after. So if you have any question regarding this qualification round that you are doing, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you.